This video is a footnote to a lecture on Jellicoe and the subconscious. He designed 3 serpents. The first, in 1952, was the Tree Serpent. This was designed for Cadbury's biscuit factory at Moreton in Cheshire. Its form comes from trees. Jellicoe wrote that the site at Moreton is not only dull and severe, it is intensely primitive. It is in fact the site of a submerged forest, and you can imagine 1 million years ago it was infested with those vast prehistoric monsters which we illustrated. As heaps of soil changed to more agreeable shapes on the drawings, they took the form of the abstract shapes of 2 extended serpents. As intended, the form of the serpent is now that of a shelter belt. The second, in 1962, was the Water Serpent. This was designed for Hemel Hempstead New Town Development Corporation, giving it a prime position in the town design. Jellicoe wrote that the surface shape of the water is designed in the abstract form of a serpent. This ensures that the whole is a single homogeneous design, being unconsciously related to the organisms of nature. The lake is the head, and the canal is the body. Note the soft curve of the underbelly. The tail rests against the hill. The eye is the fountain. The mouth is where the water passes over the weir, under the road, and out of the scheme. The sculpture is a fly disporting itself upon the body. The formal and partly classical central flower gardens are like a howdah strapped to its bag. In short, the beast is harnessed, docile, and in the service of man. The third, in 1968, was the Earth Serpent. This was designed to make use of material excavated to construct an underground car park, and thus to save some 160,000 tonnes of Hyde Park clay from being dragged through the London streets to Heston in perhaps 20,000 tumbril roads to enter slavery under new roads. Jellicoe described the design as a practical fantasy to illustrate how excavations from the car park could have been used to create an earth companion for the serpentine. The status of these 3 serpents in landscape design theory is outlined in the video to which this is a footnote.